Good evening, class. Today, we will be delving into the fascinating field of endocrinology, specifically focusing on the hormonal regulation of growth. As future healthcare professionals, it is crucial for you to have a deep understanding of how hormones play a crucial role in the complex processes of growth, development, maturation, and overall body composition. Throughout this lecture, we will explore various topics, ranging from the influence of growth hormone on skeletal growth and body composition to the effects of sex steroids on sexual development and secondary sexual characteristics. We will also examine the significance of thyroid hormones, adrenal hormones, neurotransmitters, paracrine/autocrine factors, hormone receptor signaling, modulation of gene expression by hormones, and the process of pubertal development. By the end of this lecture, you will have gained an appreciation for the intricate interplay between hormones and the regulation of growth. So, let us embark on this enlightening journey through the captivating realm of endocrinology. Growth is a complex and highly regulated process, influenced by an array of hormones. The growth hormone, GH, secreted by the anterior pituitary gland, plays a crucial role in stimulating growth in children and adolescents. GH exerts its effects through its interaction with the growth hormone receptor, GHR, present on target tissues, leading to the production of insulin-like growth factors, IGFs. These IGFs, particularly IGF-1, serve as major mediators of GH-induced skeletal growth. Notably, IGF-1 acts on both epiphyseal growth plates and periosteal bone, resulting in longitudinal and radial bone growth, respectively. Additionally, GH also promotes lean body mass accrual by stimulating protein synthesis and inhibiting protein breakdown. Through its actions on multiple organ systems and tissues, the hormonal regulation of growth is a finely orchestrated process, ensuring optimal development and maturation. The impact of growth hormone, GH, on skeletal growth and body composition is multifaceted. GH acts primarily by binding to the growth hormone receptor, GHR, present on target cells, leading to the production of insulin-like growth factors, IGFs. These IGFs, particularly IGF-1, are critical for the stimulation of chondrocyte proliferation and differentiation in the epiphyseal growth plates, thereby facilitating linear bone growth. Furthermore, GH has a direct impact on body composition, promoting the growth of lean body mass by stimulating protein synthesis and inhibiting protein breakdown. Together, the dual effects of GH on skeletal growth and body composition highlight its pivotal role in the overall regulation of growth and development. Insulin-like growth factors, IGFs, are key players in the regulation of growth and development. The liver is the primary source of circulating IGF-1, which is under the control of growth hormone, GH. IGF-1 mediates many of the effects of GH by binding to the IGF-1 receptor, IGF-1R, present on target tissues. Through its interactions with IGF-1R, IGF-1 promotes cellular proliferation, inhibits apoptosis, and stimulates protein synthesis, leading to the overall promotion of growth and development. Beyond their growth-promoting effects, IGFs also play a role in metabolic regulation, insulin sensitivity, and tissue repair. Understanding the complex actions and signaling pathways of IGFs is essential for comprehending the intricate web of growth regulation. Thyroid hormones exert significant influence over growth and maturation. Thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, the two main thyroid hormones, regulate various aspects of growth by directly affecting cellular metabolism and protein synthesis. These hormones modulate chondrocyte proliferation and differentiation, contributing to skeletal growth and bone mineralization. In addition to their effects on growth, thyroid hormones also play a crucial role in the development of the central nervous system, influencing overall maturation and brain function. Perturbations in thyroid hormone levels during critical periods of development can have long-lasting effects on growth, cognitive function, and metabolism. Sex steroids, including estrogen and testosterone, have profound effects on sexual development and the emergence of secondary sexual characteristics. Estrogen, primarily produced by the ovaries in females, stimulates the development of female reproductive organs, such as the uterus and breasts. It also contributes to the growth and maturation of bones, particularly during puberty. In males, testosterone, predominantly synthesized by the testes, drives the development of male reproductive organs and the development of secondary sexual characteristics like facial and body hair growth. Moreover, testosterone plays a role in promoting lean muscle mass and enhancing physical performance. Understanding the intricate effects of sex steroids is pivotal in comprehending the complexities of sexual development and maturation. The adrenal glands produce a wide array of hormones that play significant roles in growth and development. Adrenal androgens, such as dihydroepiandrosterone, DHEA, and androstenedione, contribute to the development of secondary sexual characteristics and pubic hair growth during puberty. These hormones exhibit weak androgenic activity, compared to testosterone, but their contribution to sexual maturation should not be overlooked. Additionally, adrenal glucocorticoids, such as cortisol, influence growth by regulating processes like bone turnover, protein synthesis, and immune function. The proper functioning of adrenal hormones is crucial for ensuring appropriate growth, development, and overall well-being. The regulation of hormone secretion is a complex process that involves intricate feedback loops and interactions between the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and target tissues. The hypothalamus produces releasing hormones, which stimulate or inhibit the secretion of specific hormones from the pituitary gland. In turn, these pituitary hormones act on target tissues to regulate the production and release of hormones responsible for growth and development. Furthermore, the feedback mechanisms involving hormones, such as IGFs and adrenal glucocorticoids, play a crucial role in fine-tuning the secretion of growth-regulating hormones. Understanding the mechanisms of hormone secretion regulation is essential for grasping the profound intricacies of growth control. While hormones are the primary mediators of growth, neurotransmitters also play a role in certain aspects of growth regulation. Neurotransmitters, such as growth hormone-releasing hormone, GHRH, and somatostatin, secreted by the hypothalamus, modulate the release of growth hormone, GH, from the pituitary gland. Furthermore, neurotransmitters like noradrenaline and serotonin have been implicated in the regulation of bone remodeling and the modulation of growth plate function. The interplay between neurotransmitters and hormones adds another dimension to the complexity of growth regulation, broadening our understanding of the intricate web of physiological processes. Paracrine and autocrine factors are local signaling molecules that exert their effects on neighboring cells or the same cell that secreted them, respectively. These factors, including growth factors like transforming growth factor beta, TGF-beta, and fibroblast growth factors, FGFs, play pivotal roles in the regulation of growth and development. They influence processes like cellular proliferation, differentiation, and tissue remodeling. Paracrine and autocrine factors act in concert with hormonal signals, creating a complex network that orchestrates the delicate processes of growth and tissue homeostasis. Understanding the role of these factors enhances our comprehension of the intricate interplay between local and systemic growth regulation. Hormone receptor signaling is a fundamental aspect of the biological actions of hormones. Hormones exert their effects by binding to specific receptors on target cells, initiating signaling cascades that ultimately lead to specific cellular responses. These receptors can be located on the cell membrane or within the cell, depending on the nature of the hormone. Receptor activation triggers a series of intracellular events, including phosphorylation cascades, gene expression modulation, and cellular responses like proliferation, differentiation, or apoptosis. Understanding the nuances of hormone receptor signaling is crucial for comprehending the mechanisms through which hormones exert their effects on growth and development. Hormones possess the remarkable ability to modulate gene expression, influencing the production of proteins and ultimately shaping cellular behavior. Upon binding to their respective receptors, hormones can activate or inhibit specific genes, leading to the synthesis of proteins that drive growth, differentiation, or other cellular responses. Hormone responsive elements within the DNA sequence enable the binding of hormone receptor complexes, ultimately regulating gene transcription and subsequent protein synthesis. Appreciating the intricate interplay between hormone signaling and gene expression is essential for understanding the mechanisms by which hormones shape growth and development. Puberty is a transformative period marked by rapid growth, sexual maturation, and the emergence of secondary sexual characteristics. The initiation and progression of pubertal development are tightly regulated by the interplay of various hormones. The hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis plays a pivotal role in orchestrating these changes. During puberty, the hypothalamus releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, which stimulates the release of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, from the pituitary gland. LH and FSH act synergistically on the gonads, stimulating the production of sex steroids and gametogenesis. The surge in sex steroids, such as estrogen and testosterone, promotes secondary sexual characteristics, including the development of breasts, testes, pubic hair, and the growth spurt. Understanding the intricacies of pubertal development provides valuable insights into the physiological changes and challenges faced by individuals during this formative period of their lives. In conclusion, the study of endocrinology and the hormonal regulation of growth offers a fascinating glimpse into the intricate world of human development. Through our exploration of various topics, including the impact of growth hormone, insulin-like growth factors, thyroid hormones, sex steroids, adrenal hormones, neurotransmitters, paracrine/autocrine factors, hormone receptor signaling, gene expression modulation, and pubertal development, we have gained a comprehensive understanding of the complex processes underlying growth and maturation. As future healthcare professionals, it is crucial for you to recognize the pivotal role played by hormones in shaping human development and to apply this knowledge in providing optimal care and support for your patients. So, keep exploring this captivating field in your journey towards becoming proficient endocrinologists armed with the power to positively impact the lives of those you serve.